5, 4, 3.
Blue group
2,
first, 2
1.
times. And Keely, check your group if you haven't.
Ads.
Got lines incoming.
Blue group is the usual, right? 2, 4, and 6.
1, 3, and 5.
Okay.
I forgot to send the note, sorry. Blue again against the wall.
Ads.
Soak the lines.
Not overlap with it.
High energy.
Getting ready to move. Oh, I just realized I used Tremor
Dodge.
Totem instead of Healing Tide. That's nice.
Nice. At least
We are not feared. We're not feared of Denathrius anymore. Just let's bomb him.
Green group, twice now.
Ads. So.
Watch the lines. One soaking, I guess.
This one is volley.
Green group again.
Ads.
Rafa, can you
Stop
aim
DPS.
the next one?
Stop DPS, stop DPS.
High energy.
Get ready to move. Not yet. Move now.
Ah, no, it's okay. You can move.
Dodge.
He won't cover more space. You have
Stop
only,
DPS,
like-
stop DPS. Go now, sorry, go now. It's high, go now, go now, go now.
Ah, that's okay.
Okay, movement speed increases, go.
Pretty big.
Call for help if you need it.
One made it. Pretty nice.
Oh, we failed that achievement.
Why?
Ads.
It's fine, focus up. Nuke the right ranged at, get it down. Frontal, watch out, frontal. Okay, add dying, pools. Impales on the right in a triangle. Add dying again, pools. And add dying again,
Nice.
pools, pools.
Someone got knocked.
Where's Gilly?
And Pella, remember to
Going
get beacon on him
through.
again.
DPS on the other range.
Going through.
Don't forget to beacon Gilly again.
Go back if you don't have impale. Go back if you don't have impale.
High energy.
SM.
Don't touch
Here,
that,
here,
don't touch
here.
that, don't touch that. We're dancing now, dancing. Okay, kill the ad. Impale on the right in a triangle. Impale on the right. Puddles.
IBC'd prime. What the fucking lag spike.
It's fine, keep going, go through.
One more set of ads.
Cleave melee, get the range one slow. Focus on boss zone. Impales on the right, impales on the right, triangle.
High energy. Avoid.
Pulse.
Massacre incoming.
Dance.
One more pulse.
Pools now, yes, Massacre too, watch out. Frontal.
Pushing him.
No, wait until we go through.
Anyways, you can take the mirror.
Now we push him, go to middle, he's already transferred. We're gonna go on Skull. On Skull. He will do knockback first, knockback first.
Knock.
Now.
Pulse also. together with them.
Go on your other ad. Soak the orbs. Soak orbs
Soak.
now. Grab the orbs on the way out. Puddles. Go back into a corner. We're getting knocked
Yeah.
back. Knocked back. Watch out, knocked back. Go back into a
High
corner.
energy.
We're getting sliced soon. We're moving soon. We're moving now.
Dodge.
And he's doing knockback.
Knock.
Knockback now. Then orbs. 2 times orbs. Get the first one soaked ASAP. First one soaked now. Second one's avoid these.
Soak.
Soak the new orbs. And he's doing knockback.
What's of it?
Octo Valley, Octo Valley.
High
Octo Valley.
energy.
Knockback.
Coxu, Coxu. Valley.
Knockback. Then massacre with dancing. Focus on dancing. Don't care about DPS. Focus on dancing. Get the orbs back.
Good shot.
Fuck this one.
Soak.
Soak the orbs.
I'm in the way corner.
Help is back on the
him.
side. Help him on the side.
Shattering pain soon.
Yep, knockback after this.
Knock.
Knockback now. And then we have push. Walk out.
Whenever you want.
We have any healing cooldowns on this? Watch the orbs.
High energy. Soak.
Soak the orbs. We're getting knocked back soon into a new triangle. Get all the orbs. We're getting knocked back.
Dodge. Knock.
Use this knock. Use this. Okay, it's good. Orbs. Soak the orbs. We're soaking the orbs. Everyone soak the orbs. Soak the orbs.
Soak.
Can I tell?
Soak the last one out. Soak the last one out.
AMC.
Use personals.
Knock.
Knock
We're
back.
soaking one more.
Yes, one more
Using
orbs. Use personals.
High energy.
I think we can ignore them.
Kill the boss.
Yeah, kill the boss.
Chill,
Finish it
chill,
off.
chill.
Finish it off. Watch the massacre though. You're gonna get one
So-
shot.
Dance.
Finally.
Yes.
Good job.
Nice.
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 That was pretty clean.
That
Almost
took too
clean.
long.
It did.
Too long.